What's up guys, back in the garage again today. This morning we are going to be doing something that is well anticipated. I've been waiting a little while for it. I kind of told you guys a little bit in the last video. So today we're going to be putting dual steering stabilizers on the Ram. So we've got everything ready to go. We got the whole kit plugged out. So remember, we're doing the dual front steering stabilizers. So we got all of our brackets, all of our bolts. Got our dual shocks ready to go. Got the little instructions out. So we are going to get started. And by the way, rough country light bar still looking fantastic, works excellent. And then pretty much, get under here real quick. So we're gonna be replacing these two bolts. Go over into the middle. We're replacing that bracket right there. And then all the way down on the end, gonna be replacing these right here. All right, let's get to it. Alright, so here's our new bracket that replaces this one. Here's the factory shock. It's just one bolt on that bracket on the left, and then you have the two on the bottom. It's kind of like at a 90-degree angle, and the two at the top. It's time to replace it with the new one. Alright, so we are one bracket in. Got the passenger side done. All it is 4 nuts and 2 U-hooks that attaches right here. I believe that's the track bar. And then let's just do the other side and then throw the shocks on. be it for today. Steering stabilizer bars are on. As you see, when you turn, everything looks good. Really easy. It's really only a couple nuts and bolts. All you gotta do, pull the old steering stabilizer off. Got 4 bolts that the new bracket bolts right back into, and 1 bolt on each side to put the end of the shock on. And other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. Glad to have this piece of junk gone. Have the new dual ones on. I like the silver because it kind of matches the truck a little bit. So other than that, I think we're about to give it a quick wash that is well deserved. But that is going to be it for now. Peace.